Hello everyone, welcome to Reboot and Rise with MLR. In this video, we will learn how to download, install and set up the Java Development Kit and version 24, also known as JDK24 on a Windows 11 system. When the Java language was released to the market, it was introduced in a version such as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, followed by Java 5, 6, 7 and so on. The latest version as of now is Java 24. Please note, the old Java versions we had to install JDK and JRE as a separate bundles. But from Java 21 onwards, I think we just have to install only JDK bundle which has JRE inside it. Okay, so let's jump right in to install JDK 24. So let's open a browser and search for JDK download, and where you will see there is a website called as oracle.com, so where Java is managed and maintained by Oracle. So click on this Java downloads, scroll it down where you can see JDK 24, scroll it further down, you can see like a Windows. So because my system is Windows, that's where I'm going to install in my Windows. Click on this x64 installer, so click this link for download, and where the download started now, let's hold for a few seconds, and there it is. So I'm going to double click on this one so that the installation will start. So it will pop up a window for asking for some confirmation, so click yes, and then the installation will start. Click on next. So by default it chooses the program files Java JDK24, so I'm not going to change this path. In case if you want, you can change it, but I'll go with as is. So click next. And there you see like the installation is successfully installed. Okay, click close. Now the next part is like we need to set up environment variables. So there are two environment variables, one is java underscore home and path. So for java underscore home, the path we need to give is copy the installation path. Basically it was installed on C drive, program files, Java and JDK. Copy the path till this one, and that's where we are going to provide in java underscore home. And then the next path is we need to give this bin folder, copy this path as well. So in order to set these two variables, we need to go to Windows. Basically these two variables we have to set in the environment variables. So let's go to Windows, search for environment variable. There it is, system environment variables, and click on this environment variables and go to system. So you can see like user variables and system variables. So we have to set this one in the system variable. So first search for java underscore home variable. In my system I don't have, so we need to create that one. Java capital JAVA underscore home, and the path we have to give is this path, C program files Java JDK -24. Okay, click OK. Then go to path variable is already available, so go to path, click edit, and then you need to click new and give that one the second one until bin, and then put a slash. Okay, click OK, click OK, click OK. Okay, so with that, like we have done with the setup as well. Now let's verify the installation. So how do we verify the installation is go to command, like go to search, type cmd, so where the command prompt will open, and then give these two instructions like java c hyphen version. So if you see this one java c24, then JDK is installed successfully, where we have a compiler within that. then type Java hyphen version. So this will make sure like you have a Java SE runtime system environment is installed. That means JVM is also available. Okay. So if you see these two outputs in the console, then we are good with Java installation and setup. So while JDK and JRE are to compile and run your Java programs, we need an integrated development environment. We call it as IDE to write the Java programs. So we have like a low-end IDs like Notepad, Notepad++, and high-end IDs like Eclipse, IntelliJ. I would recommend to have low-end IDs in the beginning, like at least for 3 to 4 months. So, sorry, 3 to 4 weeks. So we will have some learning curves on common Java errors. Okay. So before going to next video, let's install the Notepad++ IDE for writing Java programs, and then later we will install Eclipse and see like how we can write programs in Eclipse. See you all in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding. Thank you.